Hello everyone, we are back for another unboxing. This time it's the Nektar Impact GX61 Midi Keyboard. I purchased this for close to 10,000 rupees. It's very sleek for a 61 key Midi keyboard. Here it is. So we have the keyboard, it's a manual, and the connecting cable, the Midi connecting cable. Remove from the cover. Part of the GX series, which is fairly simple, doesn't have a lot of the fancy buttons which the other models have. Let's take a closer look. As I said, it's a 61 key model. Has the usual features, the pitch modulation, has transpose, then octave shifting buttons, one master volume key, if you look at the back side, it has one output, it's the foot switch, one port to connect the foot switch, one for the USB cable, and a switch on off button, the extreme left. So this was the Nektar Impact GX61 Midi keyboard. Thanks everyone for joining.